Willamina Pickles. And guess what? I received another request for a mindful moment. Yes, so exciting! So, let's sit in a comfy position. Put one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Listen to my voice as I take you through a mindful moment. Let's be grateful for the sun in the sky and our wonderful planet. Let's be grateful for our family and our friends. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One last breath. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Hi, you did a great job. Yay! Good work, everyone.